Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread without stepping outside your home? That is exactly the kind of experience the OSIPOTO 17-in-1 automatic stainless steel bread machine promises. Designed for convenience and simplicity, this 2-pound bread maker is built for beginners as well as busy families who want fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. If you are interested in making baking easier, be sure to check the product link in the description for the latest details and pricing. This bread machine focuses on ease of use. You simply add your ingredients, choose one of the 17 automatic programs, select your loaf size and crust level, then let the machine handle kneading, rising, and baking. It supports 1-pound, 1.5-pound, and 2-pound loaf sizes, which makes it suitable for small households or larger families. Crust settings include light, medium, and dark, allowing you to customize texture and flavor. In addition to standard white bread, you can prepare whole wheat, cake, jam, yogurt, and gluten-free recipes, giving you plenty of variety without needing multiple appliances. The design is clean and modern with a stainless steel exterior in silver. It weighs around 11.68 pounds, making it stable during operation while still manageable to move when needed. The compact footprint helps it fit comfortably on most kitchen counters without taking up too much space. The interior features a non-stick pan that allows bread to release smoothly after baking. This also makes cleanup simple, as most residue can be wiped away once the pan cools. Performance is supported by a 600-watt motor that distributes heat evenly throughout the baking chamber. This helps create a golden crust and soft interior with consistent results. Baking times vary depending on loaf size. In the basic bread program, a 1-pound loaf takes about 3 hours and 35 minutes, a 1.5-pound loaf around 3 hours and 40 minutes, and a 2-pound loaf about 3 hours and 45 minutes. While this is not a quick-bake solution, the steady process supports reliable texture and thorough baking. One of the most practical features is the 15-hour delay timer. You can prepare ingredients in advance and schedule baking to finish at a specific time, such as early morning or after work. The keep warm function maintains the temperature for up to 1 hour after baking is complete. Noise level is approximately 50 decibels, which means it runs quietly enough for overnight use. Overheat protection adds safety by pausing the machine if the internal temperature becomes too high, then resuming once it cools down. There are clear advantages, including beginner-friendly controls, multiple programs, flexible loaf sizes, and quiet operation. The main drawback is the longer baking cycle, and precise ingredient measurement is important for best results. Overall, the OSIPOTO 17-in-1 automatic stainless steel bread machine delivers strong value for its price range. It simplifies home baking while offering versatility and dependable performance. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to check link in the description below.